So, all right. So this setup with my engulfing candle, I have it on low 146435, which really doesn't matter what setting you have it. I'm just showing you the one I have it on. Um, I can bring like this down even lower. It's showing me more signals, but it really doesn't matter. One of the things what you want to do is, let's say like this is a 4 hour. Let's go to the 2 hour. Now I have this set up, and what you want to have is you want to have the Cookies AI Engulfing Band screener. Um, this is code that I put together, script that I've had um, put together. I took an existing script from the Fotero band and did some modifications to it. Um, so here it is. I wanted something that would work even better. It's just, give me more confidence in the trade to take uh, more short trades. In other words, basically how it goes is you get a buy signal from the engulf, right? And the buy signal from the engulf, excuse me, eating some vegetables here. Um, the buy from the engulf has to happen on or outside of the band. Okay, that's your buy signal. There was two. There was one here, and there was one here and one here. Take either one of those, right? Um, it's going up. Let's pull back when it came here. Um, if I see this happen where it touches this, right, and I'm in it, this went to 114, 103. I would have taken profit at like 80 pips. I would have had my trailing stop. I'm sorry, trailing stop would have been at 80 pips, and just would have got taken out. Once I saw this right here, um, I would be in it, or you can wait for a buy signal to appear. Um, this was the whole thing 320. It's kind of late. It's really late, but since I've seen it bounce already, I don't mind taking one that's in the middle. Uh, and then you see this doesn't touch at all, right? That's giving sell signals. Now, I mean, even if you took this, it's a low chance it would make you money, but you still got kind of 140 pips, right? But I know the trend's going to continue because this is not outside of the band. It's not touching the band. All right. I mean, the candle is not touching the band, and the label is not outside. It can't be the label touching the band. Like here, for instance, that's a false signal. But keep a 35 pip stop loss. You be in a pretty, I would say, a safer space. But we can see that it's the beginning of a trend to break out with the harmonic pattern not closing. All right, not closing, formed, or you can call it a W, and it doesn't. It just comes into this point, to that point right there, it gets rejected. There's the retest for the entry of the harmonic. But I can see it because I've been doing working with harmonics for so long. Um, Here, and there's one here, and then there's one. It's two. It's like two of them layered on top of each other, and probably another one that's extended out here. But regardless, you like to see this W form, and then see an open pattern. There B support, all right, and there's the buy that's right on support. So if you miss this buy, and you miss this buy, and you miss this buy, okay, you had a fourth chance to catch this, right? Touches it or appears outside of it. The label, that is, I mean, outside of it. Candle touches or the label appears outside of it, the band. That is a buy signal. And then when you see these cells pop up that are not on this side and these have not touched, you now know that the trend is going to continue upwards. Here, like here, I would have said, okay, that's it. So let's say I missed this one, I got it on the next one, or let's say I got it on the third one. Okay, here, and that's the latest. It's kind of the latest one. Of course, you can make money, um, but you don't want to be in a pullback. But it got up here, didn't touch 465 pips, took 12 days. Down here, 237. Then when it hits the first point, I think that it may be a possible, maybe time to get out. It's like 610. Um, Trying to think. Yeah, I would be out at 610. But if you miss that, you still had opportunities. There's another cell that's letting you know that it's continue going. When those cells are in the middle or near the bottom, okay, that means that the trend going upward is going to continue. So you can, it's the same for the reversals. I mean, for for the cells, right? This is the buy side, right? When you see those buys popping in the middle, means that it's going to continue to come down, okay, until it hits bottom. When it hits bottom, all right, this wasn't a strong one here, so it lasted for a little bit and then reversed, and then you had the signal there and so on. So, so opportunities, right? Took an opportunity with this cell here. Um, this was actually, hold on, I'm trying to think. I think it was on the four. Yeah, it was on the 4 hour cell. The signal was a signal right there. So I saw it, and I saw that prices touched this as it come down. It's starting to cover these. I see these starting getting fulfilled. This one and this one is it. I know I'm in a sell, right? And then you see the buy appear in the middle. Boom, you're gonna close the trade. So here I didn't touch it. Um, I'm gonna leave it like that when I watch it. Um, what would I find? Let's hit resistance here. Pattern, 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 pattern. There's a harmonic here, here. There's one here. There's one. Nope, that's not a harmonic. Breakout. Harmonic pattern. Bull bearish pops right on the edge of this. So But I'm expecting this to come down somewhere, probably continue something like that maybe. So it might end up being 500 pips. All right. So that's just how I go through it. All right. Um, ouch. That's how I go through it, and you can basically uh, see my thinking and how I use this to be profitable. You can be a total beast with this. I mean, you would rarely ever lose trades once you get to know this. So, thank you for your time. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's 4:53 a.m. I haven't gone to sleep yet. Really tired. Get ready for the next day. So, see you guys. Peace. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and if you want to be part of the Telegram group, just post me a message. I don't think the public link is open, but I'll send you a link to it. All right, peace. So leave that open and cut.